And lesson 23 is the four sounds of why. I'm going to stop right there. Sorry for the voice, and I will try my best not to go back to that again. All right, here we go. So we got four sounds of Y. So there's all kinds of different things that Y can say, right? And apparently there are four of them. So one of them is when it says I, like in try, right? So listen to the four sounds of Y. Tyrant, pygmy, and yak. Yak. So you got like what? E is like Y can say E like in lynx. It can say I like in gypsy, like a gypsy whereas in playing music in street clothes. And then what is it? Mystic, nylon, eyes right there, right? Yearly. And then also for the year. That's four, right? So four sounds of Y. Lesson 23. Go for it.